we are gathered here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, to be a part and share as one with the class 2008.
Definitely. Well, the intention of this event is actually to be united as brothers and sisters in achieving the dream of bringing back the old days of excellence of our beloved institute.
But now, before we formally start this celebration, we would like to thank and congratulate the members and facilitators of this Eucharistic celebration. Yes, thank you very much. You know what, Joanne? This is the first time that we ever conducted this kind of program. And as what I've heard, sabi nga nila before, they just conduct mass. And based sa mga nakausap kong alumni natin, sabi nila, bakit sila meron, kami wala. And we are really so indeed very fortunate about this.
I've heard that this is the first motivational day for Class 2008 Nursing Licensure Examination. And now, to give us a brief background on why we're all gathered here today, let's watch this.